Tap water can taste awful, and half the time, we don't even know what's swimming in it. I got tired of dragging heavy plastic bottles home from the store, so I bought the top 5 countertop water filter systems. I drank gallons of water, tested the flow rates, and checked how easy they are to refill so you don't have to waste your money on a system that's a pain to use. Product number 1, Ecoviva Mate 3. I started with the Ecoviva Mate 3. Right out of the box, I loved that it's plug and play, no plumbing, no hoses. I filled the tank and the self-cleaning cycle kicked in immediately, which gave me peace of mind. The display is super clear. Seeing the TDS total dissolved solids drop in real time was pretty satisfying. The smartest feature, though, is the pitcher docking. I just slid the 44 Oz pitcher under the spout, and it filled automatically without me holding a button. It stops on its own, so I could walk away and come back to a full jug. The 3-1 efficiency is solid, meaning less wasted water than older RO systems. If you want a hands-off experience where you always have a pitcher ready to grab for the dinner table, this is the most convenient option I tested. Product number 2, Culligan MaxClear 2.25-gallon gravity filter. Then I went old school with the Culligan MaxClear. This isn't a machine, it's a gravity filter. Holding the polished stainless steel body, it felt incredibly durable, way better than cheap plastic pitchers. It looks sleek on the counter, almost like a piece of decor. Since it uses gravity, there's no pump noise and no electricity needed. I took it camping for a weekend, and it was a lifesaver. The ceramic filter is certified for microplastics and lead, which is rare for gravity filters. The flow rate is slower than the electric ones, obviously, but the water tasted crisp and clean. If you need something for off-grid living, camping, or just want a silent system that doesn't need a power outlet, this is the most versatile pick. Product number 3, Portable UV Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Filter Agery. Next, I tried the Agery system. The first thing I noticed was the massive 5-liter tank. I didn't have to refill it nearly as often as the others. But the real standout is the efficiency. It boasts a 5:1 pure-to-drain ratio. I measured the wastewater and there was barely any compared to standard units. It has a UV light inside, which adds an extra layer of safety against bacteria. The interface is intuitive, and I liked that I could see the water being processed through the 5-stage filter. However, it is tall, about 21 inches when you open the lid, so I had to pull it out from under my cabinets to refill it. If you want the absolute least amount of water waste and have the vertical counter space, this is the eco-friendly winner. Product number 4, Bluevua RO 100 RO POT. I switched over to the Bluevua RO 100 RO POT. The build quality here feels premium, mainly because of the high borosilicate glass carafe. Most systems use plastic tanks, but glass just feels cleaner and doesn't hold odors. It felt heavy and substantial in my hand. The filtering speed is decent and the 2:1 ratio is standard. I really appreciated the standby mode to save power. The water tasted completely neutral, no chlorine smell at all thanks to the remineralization stage. The filter life monitor is right on the front, so there's no guessing game. If you hate plastic and prefer drinking from glass, or if you just want a compact unit that looks modern and clean in a smaller kitchen, this is the one to get. Product number 5, Bluevua RO 100 RO POT UV. Finally, I tested the upgraded Bluevua with UV. It's very similar to the previous model with that same awesome glass carafe, but this one adds a 6-stage of filtration with UV light. I noticed the water tasted slightly crisper, likely due to the added filtration layers and the remineralization balance. It's certified lead-free, which is a big deal for older houses with questionable pipes. Like the other Bluevua, it's plug-and-play, but knowing that UV light is zapping any potential microorganisms gave me extra confidence. It has the same 12-24-month filter life, which keeps maintenance low. If you have serious concerns about water quality like well water or old city pipes, and want that extra UV protection on top of RO, this is the ultimate safeguard for your home. Whether you need the portability of the Culligan gravity filter or the high-tech efficiency of the Agery, cleaner water is definitely worth the investment. I've put links to all 5 systems in the description so you can check the current prices and see which one fits your kitchen. Thanks for watching and stay hydrated.